Are we gonna get to play as Hugo now?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh!
Hugo doesn't have any weapons!
No
If someone
kidding.
finds him, the alarm will be sounded.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god,
What is
there's
that?
somebody. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Ooh. Oh, shit. This is nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, maybe you can go
Oh,
underneath
under the table.
Someone's coming.
Medicus.
What?
You on the list?
Oh shit. How do I do this? Oh no.
What?
Anybody? Oh fuck.
Quick!
Oh. Jesus. Maybe he's really focused on this book here.
Maybe he's super tired. Yeah, okay. Fuck, but there's a guy walking towards you. He's gonna see you.
Oh fuck. Okay, but where's the other guy? Now he's coming back.
Mm-hmm.
They have awful timing for me. Oh my fuck.
Can't you go behind that pillar? Like, completely behind it?
There was nothing.
What pillar?
That one right there.
Well, not really.
No?
There's a wall there.
Yeah, but can't you go in between the two pillars?
No.
So they can't see you?
Well, maybe if I
What's that?
still.
No.
I'm not listening to you anymore.
Okay, I'm sorry.